I'm in Castle Hill, and I don't know what awaits me in this community fridge. Let's see what happens. There's some tangerines. They smell slightly rotted, and there's nothing in here. Take what you need and leave the rest, but they should never have taken the very best. It's funny I'm seeing this right now because I cannot get that song out of my mind. The night they drove Old Dixie down by the band. Take what you need, but you leave the rest, but they should never have taken the very best. The night they drove Old Dixie down. I'm just seeing what I can find out here today. Just walking around looking for something to do in these United States of America.